Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics. We are now going for a ride in our 1969 Ford Mustang Mach 1. This lovely little Mustang we have here at Skyway Classics features a white and black exterior featuring the Mustang rallies. Of course, you have the nice style hood with the turn signals in the hood there. As you can see, they actually work. Also, you have the spoiler in the back featuring the window guard back there. As for the interior, you got an automatic on the floor, white bucket seats, old-fashioned steering wheel with the old-fashioned horn in it. You have a late model Kenwood audio sound system, updated oil pressure and voltage meter gauges. Other than that, one of the really nice features about this car is it still has the working clock right above the glove box there. But going into its running feature with the 351 Cleveland underneath the hood, sure makes it a smooth cruiser. As you see right now, the car basically handles itself, no vibrations, no rattles. In fact, while we're at it, we can give you a little bit of a brake test. Don't even have my hands on the wheel. Kept a good pressure there, especially with the idle. Didn't want to lower down on the pressure or nothing, but other than that, smooth cruising car. In fact, we can open her up a little bit now there's nobody around. Yep, you can tell that 351 is ready to drive. And of course, if you'd like to see more cool cars, please visit our website. Take a look at our social media. We have cool cars coming in every day just like this one. But as for now, we're going to get it turned around and up on the lift, so please stay tuned to see the underneath.